Hey, Mckensie, Corey here. Real quick, I'm going to shoot over these 3 free tips. Thanks for passing this video along for me as well. But these 3 tips is going to help you get some higher rankings and outrank your competition and bring those leads in. So the first thing I'm actually going to go over is content. Google's very content driven. Even these images, this all has content behind it. You got a bunch of numbers, you can actually switch that out, put some keywords. That's just going to help with your rankings to bring those leads in. So your first tip, I like to be right around 2,000 words right on that first page. That way you can actually layer in those keywords. Those keywords are what people are actually searching for and how those leads are even coming in. Kind of give you an idea here. Go inside of Google, type in HVAC Dickinson ND. This is what you're going to see. You got this little map section here at the top. You actually have that first ranking, so I'm not even going to really go hit on this area. But you're going to deal with a lot of citations in there. And I do notice you do have some of those other keywords up on that top, on that first page as well. But to get in this organic section, really where all that traffic is actually landing, really comes down to having all that content and also being found for those keywords, but also what comes down to what's called a backlink. Backlinks are just links from other websites linking right back to yours that just really pushes power to your site. I took your URL and stuck it inside of Ahrefs. Ahrefs is a tool, lets me see what happens behind the scenes of a site. 21 referring domains, pushing back 183 backlinks. Historically, looks like you had about 464. 65 keywords, that's how people are actually searching for you. 39 clicks to your site. Can actually come in, see where those clicks are coming from. Fire and Ice Dickinson ND. You got 23 clicks coming out of the 70 right there. That's the majority of your traffic. So it looks like you got a decent name for yourself going on. Dickinson Heating and Air. You got 80 clicks a month. Your 6th position, drawing in 5 clicks right and from that keyword. Furnace Repair Dickinson ND, another 20 clicks. 2nd position, you're still getting a few clicks out of the 20. And then we come down here, got your name more as well. Furnace Repair Dickinson ND. You're missing the traffic right in there. HVAC, Fire, Heating and Air Bismarck ND. There's 80 clicks a month. 59th position, you're missing the traffic. Dakota Refrigeration Bismarck. There's 10 clicks right there. So just coming in, finding these keywords, that's just really going to help you drive more and more traffic, whether it's the furnace repair, HVAC, whatever, finding those keywords and really doing that quality backlink. You're going to notice your traffic and also those phone calls start increasing as well and really help grow your business from ranking those keywords. Anyway, hopefully that all made sense. I'd love to put a custom game plan to help you out there. Or if you just want to play these 3 free tips for yourself, that's fine too. Look forward to chatting soon. Bye.